Hadian arts nam ka jing pathot ka khlam COVID-19 ka bala pensang lut ya ki jing penlong ya ki no jing le ka sports but ki we ki program ba penlong haki school benta usnam arja ar sashi sen pat la yo I ya ki Jingshongshit ki khna school ban yo sim benta biang haki jing le ka sports ki bala sedang ban Jingshongshit ya ka por le school ban sa kan mau ki por ringkat bat ki paralog ki ban ya kemen bat ban ya risa da ka Jingshongshit khna Haka si sa jan juga tayo beladap ke artarik uyayong arja apar ke Savio Juniorate Shillong kalau penlong ya ke Jingkylla kai sports ke basan punyo haka Jingkylla ke sun beneng man ke kenta ya kini kesngi haka benta ke bamen step lawan banya senran lang nei ba spill tamar SP ke tenat fire and emergency services kumukongsan haringkat ke Jingya don lang urang ba asnong ba CV sakar secretary But SH Nongkenri, Father Dibasia, Professor of Theology at Sacred Heart Theological College, Father T. Nonglang, Parish Priest, Maulai, Father John D. Sochang, Professor at Sacred Heart Theological College, Father Alistair Marwin, Principal of Sacred Heart Boys Higher Secondary School, Father Hamperwa Tingkan, Vice Principal of Sacred Heart Boys Higher Secondary School, Bat Kiwe. Haka benta ka baar lawan banya senran lang daw nong mikmat ka nong tmai constituency uba Charles Pingrub haringkat ka jiadon lang Father John Zuziama Vice Provincial ka Shillong Province Father Dibasia Father Muk Turkey Rector ka Savio Juniorate ki fathers ki sisters ki Nohikai School ki Rangba ki Kena School ki bala syakot sungubahan na Sacred Heart Convent Stephen Memorial Bat Shelter Home
Control the ball outside of the plate.
Please go and meet the counselor.
Where?
Haba ai ki kenten pediang sungubhai hakani kesngi Father Muk Turkey ila penpau ka jing sungu ya ublei try kan rat ubla the ki jing ku ker hai how do snam arja arpu ar kam tam ki jing long jong ka mai Mariang.
We are very grateful to God who has blessed us in a special way this year by allowing us to have this sports day, because the past 2 years we have been unable to have it due to the COVID-19 pandemic. And we are grateful to God also for giving us this beautiful day. We know that it has been raining these past days off and on, and today also there is the weather is cloudy, but then we have a beautiful day to run and to jump and to compete. We thank God for this great gift. I'm sure that all of us are very eager and excited about today's sports day. There are some items left, and although many prizes have been already distributed, many are waiting for receiving the prizes that they have won. But it's not just for receiving prizes or gaining awards. As we come to this concluding ceremony, let us use this opportunity to grow in every way, physically, as well as in moral responsibility. I take this golden opportunity to stand here and on behalf of the staff and all the aspirants, thank our chief guest, Sri Charles Pingrub.
Bright and early to go to one place. special days. Depend on each other and learn as we listen in this place. We're gonna make things happen. As we gather here today, we make our pledges upon us to be the best. Let nothing bring us down. Always say we can. Let the whole world know we're gonna make things happen.
Habakran kumukong san hakani gasngi uba Charles Pingruk ulapan pawe gijing panban yo idan bentalang hakani gasngi.
7th Annual Sports Day 2022. It has been a difficult couple of years ever since the pandemic struck our state and the country as a whole. A lot of activities which we had considered normal in times gone past were suddenly interrupted. I know today is not a day for speeches, as you are eagerly waiting to participate in the different events which will test your skill against each other. Yes, there is a pride, a joy, a satisfaction in finishing the post in the first place. But more importantly, I feel, and I strongly believe, that participation is more important than any other thing. And once you complete the race, it is an achievement which you have made. With these few words, once again, Father Rector, and everybody present, all the dignitaries, Reverend Fathers and priests and sisters, I take this opportunity once again for inviting me here to be part of this very, very important occasion. May God bless you all, and may the spirit of competitiveness shine among you students. Thank you. Kubleshibun, Kubleshiacharko.
Barak ni la samru iki khusnam shaki nong job haki jingele kai boper bala ai ru ya ka trophy shaka team kabla job bon ha barok ki jingele kai kabal penlong haki ni gisni sports jong ka Savio Juniorate.